Hi everyone! In today's video I just have one of my little wood blocks that I had used as like a handle for a stamp before. I put some rubber bands on it and I wanted to see, I'm hoping that it'll get flat enough but use this as a stamp for some different shapes. My rubber bands were a little bit thinner, so I don't know if these will work well or if a larger, the thicker rubber bands would work, but I'm going to just use some of my gold paint and we'll see if I need to dip it. I might need to dip my wood piece in there. But we'll see if we can get some paint on the rubber bands enough to at least make a design. If not, we may have to just take, because I layered them, so I'm worried that the middle is going to be a little bit too fat so that it won't lay flat, but if it is, then I will adjust the rubber bands and try a different shape. But I'm going to just take my first piece of paper here and just stamp down. So I get a very, very light shape. I do like that. I'm going to just smooth my paint out and try dipping it to see if I get more. That does have a little bit more. Hopefully my wood piece won't get it, but we're going to try again. Yeah, so you get a really, really light stamp, but that's kind of fun for, depending on what kind of shapes you could make with your rubber bands. You can get a stamp out of them. So I'm just going to wipe off a little bit of the excess paint and just keep going here. Yeah, that is kind of fun. I just find it really interesting what kinds of things you can use at home to create different shapes and designs, and just taking items off my wood piece and then reusing the wood as a stamp has been really fun to test out. But I'm going to do just a few more. So yeah, that worked out better than I thought it would. So I'm going to do another page. I love this gold. It's an acrylic based gold. I haven't been able to get my oil based gold, so I'm going to keep shopping around for that. Let's do, I have this yellowish, I think this was a Naples yellow. And I'm going to see if this gold shows up. If not, I could see doing some black. Ooh, that does show up nicely. Okay. Okay, so that one worked out well too. So rubber bands, put them on here, pretty much any design that you can, if you can fit them on your wood piece, and then you can just take them right off, rinse them off, reuse them, and then just wipe off your block and you have your base for your next stamp. But just these little pieces of scrap wood have been working out really well as just a little handle for whatever stamps I've been making. So I'm just going to save those and keep reusing it. But yeah, that turned out really nice. So thank you guys so much for watching today. I hope you liked this video, and I will see you tomorrow.